Hello, beautiful people. About 2 months ago, I posted a video of when I walked across the US border at Niagara Falls. It has reached over 5,000 views, making it currently my most viewed video. Since you guys loved that video, I decided to go on another Niagara Falls adventure. This time, we'll be going on a memorable boat tour with Niagara City Cruises, Niagara Falls, Canada's most popular tourist attraction. The Voyage to the Falls boat tour is a 20-minute sightseeing boat tour on a double-stack catamaran that can hold up to 700 passengers. It smoothly passes by the American and Bridal Veil Falls and then takes passengers in front of the Canadian Horseshoe Falls, allowing passengers to see all three waterfalls from up close. This boat tour also offers incredible views of the Niagara Gorge. Our journey starts at the Niagara City Cruises Ticket Plaza, which is near the Niagara River Parkway and Clifton Hill intersection where this white tent is. After I bought my ticket from the kiosk, I went down this ramp, going to the elevators that will take me to the boarding area. We are now at the lower landing in the Great Gorge, where we will get boarded on a boat and put on our waterproof ponchos to stay dry from the mist. Passengers of Niagara City Cruises wear red ponchos, while Made of the Mist passengers from the US side wear blue ponchos. Niagara City Cruises operates two catamaran boats, and its names are Niagara Thunder and Niagara Wonder. The boat we're going on is the Niagara Wonder. I'm going up the top viewing level of the boat for a nice view. Alright, we are now departing. We are now approaching the best part of this boat tour, which is coming face to face with the majestic Horseshoe Falls and experiencing its thundering waters. This is when the ponchos really come in handy. We have now reached the end of the boat tour and will be getting off the boat. From April or early May and until mid to late October, this unforgettable boat tour can be experienced by visitors of the Canadian side of Niagara Falls each year. Ticket prices in Canadian dollars are $32.75 plus tax for adults ages 13 and over, $22.75 plus tax for children ages 3 to 12, and free for infants 2 and under. Niagara City Cruises also offers boat tours at night, specifically the Falls Fireworks Cruise from May to October. This nighttime boat tour is slightly more expensive and gives passengers a unique way to watch the fireworks over the falls. Thank you for joining me in today's exploration, and don't forget to like and subscribe. If you don't want to miss new videos, please be sure to turn on your notifications. Bye for now, and I'll see you on the next video.